Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Shortcuts save time and reduce repetitive clicking during daily work. Learning a few keys improves focus and lowers frustration. On Windows, use Alt plus F4 to close the active window quickly. Use Control plus W to close tabs or documents without quitting the whole app. On Mac, use CMD plus Q to quit an application entirely when you are done. For unresponsive apps, use Control plus Shift plus ESC on Windows to open Task Manager. On Mac, use Option plus CMD plus ESC to open Force Quit and terminate frozen programs safely. Press Alt plus F4 to close the active window immediately and save time. If an app is unresponsive, press Control plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager fast. In Task Manager, find the app and click End Task to force termination. Use Control plus W inside many apps to close the current tab or document only. To prevent data loss, save work before using Alt plus F4 or End Task. Learn these keys and practice. On Mac, use CMD plus Q to quit apps fully and free memory quickly. If an app freezes, use Option plus CMD plus ESC to open Force Quit and select the stuck app. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and hold to reveal recent apps. Swipe the app off the top of the screen to close it quickly. On Android, swipe up or tap the square button to view recent apps. Use Settings, Apps, Force Stop when swipe does not resolve persistent background activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.